Prepare to meet rugged excellence. The all-new Black Widow Chevrolet Silverado 2500 is now a part of our esteemed custom lineup. This highly capable vehicle has undergone a major transformation that sets it apart from the rest. Black Widow Chevrolet Silverado 2500 exudes a custom attitude that commands attention wherever it goes. The Black Widow Chevrolet Silverado 2500 rests on a powerhouse foundation with insane capability, no matter where the road or job may lead you. Now available in either 5-inch or 7-inch suspension lift system by BDS Suspension. The Black Widow Chevrolet Silverado 2500 is equipped with 2.0 Performance Series Fox shocks to enable a comfortable ride, no matter the elements. To wrap up the vehicle's aggressive stance, Black Widow Chevrolet Silverado 2500 are available in both 20-inch and 22-inch wheel options. No matter the wheel size chosen, we also offer our proprietary wheels in either satin black or gloss black and milled finishes to suit any preference. Whether the 20-inch or 22-inch wheel size is chosen, we wrap those wheels in premium 35-inch or 37-inch all-terrain tires for proven performance, no matter the conditions. The exterior features don't stop there, however. Each Black Widow Chevrolet Silverado 2500 includes black exhaust tips, powered running boards, 50-state legal tinted front windows, and the iconic Black Widow windshield header and exterior badging throughout. For the pinnacle in customization, our industry-leading in-house paint team can fully custom paint any Black Widow Chevrolet Silverado 2500 to suit any driver's taste. Inside the truck boasts red LED interior lights, custom Black Widow LED puddle lights, and Black Widow custom stitched headrests. For those wanting the ultimate luxurious experience, we offer custom Black Widow upholstery in either red or silver stitching for the perfect touch on the interior. The interior elements wrap up this truck into the perfect package for someone seeking excellence. The Black Widow Chevrolet Silverado 2500 is the epitome of our iconic Black Widow name. Premium suspension, aggressive wheels, and styling to the elite interior. The Black Widow Chevrolet Silverado 2500 also features peace of mind. Each truck meets federal motor vehicle safety standards and retains its factory warranty, while also carrying a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on all parts purchased as part of the Black Widow package. Last but not least, each Black Widow package is fully financeable through your dealership. For more information on this and all of our Black Widow packages, visit our website, blackwidowtrucks.com.